JJ the CPA here. Hope you're doing well. Hey, those that are in the real estate industry, all kinds of stuff going on, all things that you're hearing, you probably going, what am I supposed to take advantage of? Hopefully you've gotten answers by now, but if not, here's a quick rundown for you. So if you are selling real estate, right? You're one of the agents, brokers, and you're getting commissions. The thing to know is that those commissions count, period, the end. Typically every advisor, broker, sales rep, whatever you want to call you beautiful people that are selling real estate, that comes to you on a 1099 and you're reporting that on a Schedule C. Boom. You qualify for PPP. Done. Let's go. Get it into the bank. That's the only place you can get it. You take the Schedule C. You got your 1099. You got some expenses. Put on a Schedule C, line 31. Done. Take it in there. You're going to take that amount divided by 12 times 2.5. There you go. If you're doing any health insurance for yourself, if you're doing any retirement benefits, you're going to be able to add that on to that line 31. Done. Okay. You pay out 1099s. You don't get to count any of that in the money you borrow. You pay out someone a 1099. That is an expense to you to arrive at net income. It is not considered anything that you then get to go borrow money on. What does that even mean? What it means is this. You're probably hearing a lot in the industry. Just knock it out of your head. Okay. Don't be like the person that keeps thinking that the sale over there, well, I heard this from a neighbor and someone told me this commission and this fee, right? You know what you're doing, right? You walk in, you're ready to sell a house, ready to sell some commercial real estate, some land. Let's go. You know what you're doing. So that's how you're going to walk when you go in that bank. You know what you're doing because it's super easy. Schedule C, period. Okay. Who did you pay out? It doesn't matter. Okay. Then you're going to take Schedule 1 from your Form 1040. Okay. Take some notes. Schedule 1, line 15, line 16. If you got numbers on there, which is your health insurance and your retirement plan, then you're taking that and you're adding it to line 31 Schedule C. What's line 31 Schedule C? Net income. All you got to do, put in irs.gov, boom, boom, boom. There it is. You're going to see the Schedule C, line 31. You already prepared your return? Great. Find Schedule C, line 31. Find Schedule 1. Where's Schedule 1? It's in your tax return. Where? Scroll. It's in English. Write down, get to 15, you get to 16, you add 3 numbers together, divided by 12 times 2.5. You know how to figure out a commission, don't you? Okay, you know how to get this done. Only reason I'm saying that is that I've been going live every day and I'm loving it. 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I'm getting a lot of questions from those that are selling real estate, which I love because I got great clients. Some of my greatest clients, right, sell real estate. So I'm loving you, right? But stop standing around because it doesn't matter about that house that you're getting ready to sell that you can't go and do right now because it's all online. What matters right now is you've got to get into a bank, period, the end. Because here's the other thing. When I'm dealing with those that are in the real estate industry and sell it, and I love you, and it doesn't mean it's every single one of you. I'm a CPA, right? You got your own stereotypes that you're thinking about when you hear I'm a CPA. But here's what I want you to know. You're a procrastinator typically. Why? Because you're busy. That's why. You're busy, okay? You're not busy right now because guess what? When you look up, money's going to be gone. So if you're not in ASAP, when you turn this video camera off, you should just stop right now, go to Schedule C, go to Schedule 1, get this done, get to the bank because there's a deal. You need the money. That's how you're going to get it. End of story, okay? Now let's talk about those that are landlords. Here it is. You're not getting PPP, period, the end. Doesn't matter what you think. Doesn't matter what you heard. You're not getting PPP. Because it's Paycheck Protection Program, paycheck being the key word. Now, if you are managing real estate, you may have some employees, and I'm talking W-2 as in W, okay? There's a W on the form that you're paying the people. 1099 is not a W-2, okay? 1099 is not a W-2. And you in the real estate industry, you get this. Hopefully you're chuckling. You get it. Boom, boom, right? I can't do videos like this to ranchers and farmers, right? Engineers, right? I can have a little fun, right? Look at this. Look at this. Got it going on, right? Boom. Which just means this. What you want to do is get the EIDL. Those that are renting real estate, EIDL. What is that? SBA.gov, COVID-19. You're going to load up that website at the top. You're going to see a nice yellow strip. You're going to click on it. Boom. You're looking for the 10K. There's even like a little cartoon thing that says 10K. Click on that thing, EIDL. Answer some information. They're going to want to know what's your rental income. What are your cost of goods sold? Cost of goods sold doesn't exist in a rental business, right? So what is your income? You want to know how many employees there are? Well, in rental business, there'd be you as the owner. Now, if you're in a situation where you are a management company, boom, you probably have some wages. Could, okay? But now, what was the key word I said before? W-2, okay? Not 1099. There's no such thing as a 1099 employee. Stop using the terminology. You can't use the terminology. And guess what? 1120, you get a $5,000 fine by the IRS by saying someone's a 1099 employee and send them in 1099 when they're really an employee. So stop using the terminology. It doesn't exist. There's no such thing as a 1099 employee, period, the end. If you're paying out W-2, right? And if you know you're doing W-2, how do you know? Because you're filing something every month, every quarter, you're withholding taxes and you're paying it into this, to the feds, the Social Security, the Medicare, the state, the FUTA, the SUTA, okay? Don't even tell me, oh, I got 1099 employees. You need to stop using that terminology right now for the rest of your life. Just stop doing it for the rest of your life, okay? You that are in a management company, okay, you're gonna go on your net if it's a Schedule C. If you have an S Corp, if you're paying yourself wages, you get to include the wages, period, the end. If you have a partnership, okay? If you get a K1 and it has self-employment earnings on it in box 14 or guaranteed payments in box 4, you can go get yourself some PPP. Now, for those that are the real estate investors, right? Flipping, nothing's available for you here. Zip, zero, none, sorry about that. You're an investor. You're a wheeler and a dealer, boom, boom. But you don't get any of this, okay? Now let's talk about unemployment. Here's the rule, okay? It doesn't go in any different order, period, the end. There's no different order. You hear me? No different order. Boom, you ready? You get your PPP, your EIDL, and then you go do your unemployment. You don't qualify for the PPP, then you go get EIDL. You don't qualify for PPP, and I'm not flipping you off because this is that little finger, okay? Then you go get you some unemployment. How? Federal government. When are they gonna release it? Who knows? Watch for my videos and you'll know then. But here's the thing. If you have net income that is self-employment income, how do I know that, JJ? Go to your individual return, schedule SE, okay? Well, I can't find an SE. Well, then you probably don't have any self-employment earnings. Do you have a Schedule C? I don't. Do I have a Schedule C? Just go through and you're going to see, oh, there's a Schedule C, right? Oh, yeah, Schedule C, baby. Boom. Peel that baby out, okay? Line 31, Schedule 1, line 15, 16. Go to jjthecpahelp.com. Guess what? I don't ask for any information. I don't even care who you are because I don't want your email. I don't want to do a seminar. I'm not trying to do a funnel. I don't want to sell you nothing. I want to give you some free information. Why? Because I love you. I want you to get the money that's coming in is deserving to you. But here's the thing. It's gone by Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. By next Friday, it's gone. So whatever you think's busy, whatever you think you need to be doing is keeping you busy, you're wrong. What I need you to do is take some notes. You ready? Schedule C, line 31. Schedule 1, line 15. Schedule 1, line 16. That's all in the individual return. Schedule SE. Okay? Well, what is that? What was it? I'll put it in the body. Find it. Okay? But you are the ones that you're making bank. Okay? You're making it. And the commissions are going to run out. You need to get on it now. When you realize nothing's selling, the money will be gone. It's not based on what am I gonna do, it's based on what you did do. So get in there because here's the thing, people selling real estate, you're doing well, right? You make good money and you work your tails off, okay? And I love you, but here's what I'm trying to tell you. Stop sitting around. Get out there and get it. You're renting out real estate, EIDL, okay? You're not going to get unemployment. Why? Because you're renting real estate. You're not getting unemployment. Okay? Are you flipping? You're getting nothing on nothing on nothing on nothing. Okay? Now, when you're looking at what do you need to do, I just told you. You have an agent, broker, selling, you're going for PPP. You're renting, you're going EIDL. You're flipping, unfortunately, there's not anything you can really do here. And if you're managing, boom, you're going PPP. Done. Here we go. All right, hey, love you guys. I was trying to put on a show for you. It was probably dumb. I'm just a CPA. I'm not a comedian. I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm just a dude that gets on a 10 key, right, and does this kind of stuff, right? Boom. All I want you to do is get out there and get you some money. Ready? Let's do it. All right, JJ the CPA, out.